Saw frame and saw blade. How do we use the saw blade? First of all, saw blade has like a teeth and have direction. Now the saw blade needs to look front of the saw frame, and the teeth, they have to look down, front and down. So I'm going to have this kind of angle, this kind of direction. And now how I'm going to place this. So just in case if you're not able to see them, because sometimes if the saw blade is really fine so you're not able to see it, is you can feel it with your fingers, because the fingers can go down smoothly but stuck to go up. So that means the tooth, they look down. So it needs to stack when that goes up and to go smooth down. And now, how I'm going to place this saw blade on the saw frame. First, I'm going to, I have this saw frame, so has two parts, is the bottom part and the top part. So this one from here, from the screw here, I can listen, adjust from here. So now, first I need to release this one and to be able to move. So now I'm going to place the top of the saw blade on the bench peg and the bottom of the handle on my chest. So in this case I can have both hands free. And I'm choosing the right direction, my saw blade. So in this case they have to look up and me, the teeth. And then first I release this one, this screw here, and I just really secure well, really well. And then now I'm going to open the saw frame just on the place that I can put in here the saw blade. And again I secure really well. And then the next stage is I need to check if I put the saw blade right. So like I said before, has to go smooth down and needs to stack when that goes up. So this is the right way. And now I'm not able to saw like this because the saw blade moves. What I'm going to do, that's why my saw blade, the saw frame has two parts. So I'm gonna hug with my thumb the bottom part, touching the top part of the bench peg only, and then in the meantime I force down the bottom part, and automatically the top part, because touches on the bench peg, goes up. And while I force down really well, I secure in the meantime from this part here. And now I want to have the guitar sound. My saw blade doesn't move at all, it's really tight, and that's the way that I'm gonna go and saw the metal.